guys, welcome back to my channel. And I know I have been shooting a long form content after a really long time now. So today's video is going to be very special, and by the title you can already guess what is it about. So yeah, I did purchase a Dyson vacuum cleaner, so I just wanted to unbox that. And yeah, I really like watching these aesthetic unboxing videos, so I thought I'll share that as well. And after using it for a couple of months, I will give you a detailed review if I like it or not, if it was worth the purchase or not. So yeah, everything in detail I'll give it after I utilize all its feature completely. So I'm waiting for it to get delivered. It will be coming in like 5-10 minutes. I already got the call from the delivery guy. So yeah, I'm excited and I'm waiting for it to get delivered. I will see you soon after I get the product delivered. Guys, I did some cleaning and let me show you what I have collected till now. Okay, little bit, like I think I did like 5-10 minutes of vacuuming, and this is what it came. And I am really excited to use it more. I'll keep you updated as I have mentioned. So yeah, stay tuned for my complete review. Like, I also have to figure out which attachment is used for cleaning what, so I will do everything and I will update you guys soon. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed, and yeah, I will try to post at least one big YouTube video every week, and 4 to 5 short form contents in my shorts. So yeah, please subscribe to my channel, support my dream, and I will see you super soon in my next video. Till then, take care, love you, bye bye.